Hey everyone, in today's video we are going to show you how to use your Revi virtual card in store for seamless and secure payments. If you have got your Revi virtual card ready but aren't sure how to use it in a physical store, don't worry, we've got you covered. First, let's quickly cover what a Revi virtual card is. A Revi virtual credit card is an online only card that you can use for purchases just like a regular credit card, but here's the catch: it doesn't have a physical card, it's all digital, stored in your Revi app. Now let's dive into how you can use this virtual card in real world store. The process is simple and secure. Open the Revi app on your smartphone. You will see your virtual card ready to go. If you don't see it, make sure you have set it up in the app and add it to your funding source. Add your Revi virtual card to a mobile wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay. Simply follow the instructions in your Revi app to link the card to your wallet. Once it's linked, you are ready to use your Revi card just like any other credit or debit card. Now at the store, when you're ready to pay, just open your mobile wallet app, use your phone to tap it on the card reader just like a contactless credit card. Your payment will be processed securely and you are done. Ensure your phone NFC is turned on. Make sure the store's terminal supports contactless payments. If there's a problem, try reporting your mobile wallet app and retrying. If this store doesn't support contactless payment, you might still be able to use your Revi virtual card for online orders or in apps, which is another great feature. One of the big benefits of Revi virtual credit card in store is the extra layer of security. Since it's a digital card, you don't have to worry about losing or exposing a physical card. Your payment info is encrypted, so you can even manage to freeze your card in the app. You can suspect any suspicious activity. And that's it. Using your Revi virtual credit card in store is quick, easy and secure. It's a great way to keep your finances safe while enjoying the convenience of digital payments.